Alright guys, this is Drew with Drew and Crew again, and today we are at the top of the Scottsbluff Monument in Scottsbluff, Nebraska. We cheated just a little bit and we drove to the top of this thing instead of hiking the 2-mile journey up here. A little short on time, so we'll have to do that hike some other day. But we just thought we'd go and do a little walking around up top and get a little aerial view of Scottsbluff, Nebraska. So let's go check it out. Now, we were just going to do some hiking around up top, make a quick little video, but I was notified by my camera crew, who is from Scottsbluff, Nebraska, that they have never been to the monument. So we are hiking down the trail just a little ways to check a little bit more of it out. Alright guys, well, we made it back up to the top. Time to hop in the truck and head back down. So always pretty neat getting up top here and taking a look around. Anxious to come back, and look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.